Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I created a YouTube script using Jasper AI to make money online. I know a lot of you are interested in making money online, so I wanted to share my experience and also review a tool that I use. So if you're interested in making money through YouTube, keep watching. Alright guys, so before I show you how to create a YouTube script, I want to show you the AI tool that I use that really helped me out. This is called Jasper AI. It is a artificial intelligence tool that helps you generate scripts for your YouTube videos. I stumbled across Jasper AI while I was searching for ways to improve my video content and save time in the process. With Jasper AI, you don't have to spend hours brainstorming video ideas or coming up with a script. Instead, the tool does all that heavy lifting for you. So this is how it will look like. Of course, you do get to start for free. You can even get a demo set. So I have already created an account, but this is how it would look like whenever you're going. This is, you know, everything that it works with, some testimonies, all that good stuff is in there. So we're going to go ahead and log in. All right. And so I just want to show y'all some of the templates that we have. This is how it looks like in the back office when you log in. And so you have different templates anywhere between Amazon product description all the way to SEO, Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram posts. They even have a TikTok. They have all kind of things in this software, but for the sake of this video, I am going to be showing you the YouTube. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to come down to documents. I would like to create a new document. And then I'm going to go down to workflow. I like using workflow. Some people like using from scratch, but I like using workflow. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click either one. You can go with social media because they don't have the YouTube down below in the workflow, but you can make it like that when you actually get logged into here. Okay, so what I like to do is come down here to YouTube. All right, and so here's what the things I have already been working on. So I'm just going to kind of resume with that. So my video topic idea is how to make money online. So I went ahead and already filled that out, and then you can put keywords like make money online, and then you can also put, I'm gonna put make money online. Okay, add an L to that. All right, how do I want my tonality to be? I want it to be witty. And so what this is going to do is it's going to generate ideas for me. So right now I just have it at 3 for the outputs. Okay. And so I personally like this, how to make money online through blog posts. So that's a good video idea. But look, it gave me like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other ways. So how to make money through blogging, how to make money through freelancing, how to make money through affiliate marketing, how to make money through income stream, how to make money from home with no investment. So I'm going to do blogging, and then you can really pick which one you want to do. So that's what my video topic's going to be. Okay, how to make money through blogging, right? And so now I'm going to click on here, how to make money through blogging. And what it already did for me is it generated me video script outlines that I can use. So as you can see right here, you can choose a blogging platform. And this is like steps. So really I can create a video with the 6 steps to creating to making money through blogs. You know, 6 steps. So that's more detailed, right? And so this is what it gave me. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this. This is my outline, right? I got the hiccups. So I have my title, my video idea, title, and then I have my outline right here. Okay. And this is, remember, this is my video idea. Okay. So what I'm at right now is I'm at the video title. And then I'm going to generate. Okay. So look, it came up with actual YouTube video titles that I can use. How I made $100,000 blogging in 2019. The best ways to start making money blogging. How to make money online from home. The ultimate guide. How to start successful blogging and make money from home. So I'm going to put, I like this title. So this is going to be my title. Okay. Okay. So now I want to come up with, the video script hook and the introduction. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come here and I'm going to put it in my video title. Okay. And then I'm going to generate. So it's going to come up with the hook and the introduction for me. In this video, I'm going to show you the best ways to make money blogging so that you can quit your day job, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I like this one, so I'll just thumbs it up. And copy that to my clipboard. So this is my hook. And then this is my outline that I can follow. Okay. Okay, and then this is the description. But also, what I also want to do is actually create the whole script. Okay. So, okay guys, to get the full YouTube script, what you need to do is go to Jasper Chats, and then what I've asked it to do is come up with a outline for me. So what I did was just copy and paste this, and I said create a YouTube video script with this outline. Okay, and so that's exactly what it did. And I can literally take this, copy and paste, and this is my outline. Well, this is really my script. So as you can see here, I have my hook, I have my video hook, and then I have the introduction, and then I can also go ahead and add my video script that I just got. And this literally took me like minutes. It did not take me that long. I remember back in the day, you know, the dinosaur days where this AI did not exist, and you know, we would have to go look up the titles, look up the keywords in Google Ads, figure out if it's gonna work, come up with the script. So this is a lot easier. And this is my whole entire script that I have. So, you know, this is amazing. So I really appreciated having this. And of course, once you have your YouTube script, you do want to come down here and you want to go to the YouTube description, and it will even come up with a description for you. So this is our title right here. This is our title. And then this right here is our topic. And then we also have our outline. And then we actually have the YouTube, we have the video script. Okay, all right. And so you can go ahead and add the video description. And I like that they do make this YouTube friendly, which is also SEO friendly, which we all know SEO, search engine optimization, is the name of the game here. So going to matter of fact, I want to actually, and guys, this is just an example. Of course, like if you know more about YouTube videos, in the titles you can add like captions to it, like make some of your words all caps, because that really helps. You can make long tailed title keywords, you can really play with it, but this just does a lot of that hard work for you, like coming up with the whole script and all that stuff. Okay, and then I'm gonna put blogging. Ooh, excuse me, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. And for blogging. Okay. I'm also gonna do witty. And I don't really want to make this video too long, but here's some of our descriptions that we can use. So blogging can be a great way to make some extra cash. Okay. And so there's our description as well. Boom. So here's our video description. So what you can do is pull up your YouTube channel, have it like right here or right here somewhere, and you can literally just copy and paste, like, you know, the description, the title, and all that good stuff, guys. So hopefully this helps on how to make your YouTube video script. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out to me. So as you can see, with using Jasper AI, it helps. It really helped me get my other channels monetized. It is helped me by creating high quality and engaging content. My videos are now getting more views as a result of earning money through these ad revenues. Now with Jasper AI, I can create more videos in less time, which makes more opportunity to earn money online. So that's pretty much my video. If you're looking for ways to improve your YouTube content and make money online, I highly recommend using this tool. And it has so many other features on it as well. It has so many other templates. But really, guys, it's an easy to use tool that helps you generate high quality scripts in literally no time. By using Jasper AI, it has once again been able to save me time and create more engaging content, which has led to more increase in views and revenue. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about Jasper AI or making money on YouTube, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.